The blower motor regulator, or resistor, can be easily changed out. Unfortunately, you need to remove the glove box to get access to it. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. The blower motor regulator is located behind the air duct on the 991 Gen 1 red arrow. You will also need to remove the knee airbag, blue arrow, if so equipped, and the air duct to access the regulator. Use an E8 torque and remove the two screws holding the knee airbag in place indicated by the red arrows. You do not need to disconnect the wiring for the airbag, red arrow, just set it off to the side. Use a flathead screwdriver and remove the plastic screw holding the air duct to the blower housing, red arrow. Slip the air duct out from the housing. It is a friction fit on the center end. The regulator is located behind the air duct attached to the blower housing, red arrow. Squeeze in on the two tabs, red arrows, and separate the wiring connection. With the wiring removed, rotate the regulator counterclockwise until it releases from the mount, red arrow. You can now remove the regulator from the housing. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.